Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I am going to give you some background about Tableau Desktop Specialization Certificate. So this is one of the most rated certificate in the terms of data visualization, or if you have very good experience on the data visualization or in the data analytics field, and if you want to switch over to the BI development or the BI profile, then this certificate can boost your career. So without wasting much time, let's get over to it and see what is exactly inside this certificate. Okay, so the first thing here, what I can see, a quick summary for this certification. So total fees for this certification is $100, and this is a globalized price, like you can apply from any country. The price or the fees for this certificate will be the same. The prerequisites is none, because this is a entry level or the basic foundation certificate, so there is no required of previous experience for this. The product experience supposed to be 3 plus months. So before enrolling for this exam, let's say if you are practicing Tableau online or you are doing any classes, then eventually you will end up with the 3 plus months of product experience. At least you will have a good understanding of the product in the sense the different version of Tableau, and overall to at least handling a Tableau application experience. Okay, the next one is the product version. The currently the testing is being held on 2020.3 version, and the expiry date for the certification is none. That means if you are earning this certificate, there is no expiry date, it will be tagged as a lifetime. So this is one of the most great, you can say, very good advantage for this one. So let's see the next point over here. The prerequisites, as I said earlier, there is no prerequisites for this exam. Only one thing that you should have is the good product handling experience, that is expected at least 3 plus months. And the Tableau learning resources, it depends upon the latest Tableau version. You should be up to date with the latest features and updates on the Tableau tool. So that is what expected, and no additional requirements they had mentioned. Let's talk about the exam format. The total time limit for this exam is 60 minutes. The question format is multiple choice question and multiple responses. There are total 45 questions, 40 scored and 5 unscored. Okay, that means the 5 question is of no score and the 40 question is of having some score. The passing score for the exam is 750. Minimum you should have the 750 marks out of 1000, and if you have 750 marks, then you are a qualified one for this. The language offered is only English. The test will be in English language only, and the delivery mode is a testing center and online delivery, both are available. Okay, so either you can visit to test center and apply or give this test, and you can book your exam online and you can visit your nearest test center and they will give you the platform where you can perform or you can attempt this test. Okay, the content outline for this exam. So this is a very brief syllabus or the overview of what exactly what are the points for this exam. The first one is the connecting and preparing the data, which is 25% of total weightage. The connecting and preparing the data includes the connecting. How do you connect the data? Through live connection, to extract connection. And how do you prepare the data? Mostly it will add like how do you deal with the null value, missing value, and the pivoting the fields. So that will cover in the first domain. The second domain includes exploring and analyzing the data. The total weightage is 35%. Here you can come up with the trends and you can analyze the data, where you can find out the very basic statistical observations for the data, which is most essential if you are preparing for any visualization. So based on that only you can create the visualization. The next is the sharing insights. Sharing insights is nothing but the creating the different visualization through the analyzing the data. So that is one of the important. The total weightage is 25% for this. And the last one is understanding the Tableau concepts. Here you will be asked the very critical and the deep questions on the Tableau product, where you can prepare yourself and answer. The total weightage is 15%. So this is how the total marks will be 100%. In other words, it is a total 100, it is total 1000 marks or 1000 marks questions, and minimum you should get 750 points out of 1000 point. Okay, so there are lots of dumps available online, so you can prepare accordingly. How you can schedule this exam? So basically you have to visit a Tableau website. You have to simply Google the Tableau desktop specialist exam, and you will come up on this home page where you can schedule your exam. As I highlighted in this, you just simply hit on the button on the schedule your exam, and once you hit on that, either you have to sign in or create account. And once you create your account, you have to select your country, and it is a very straightforward process. You have to select a nearest test center and book your slot and pay for the test fees. That's it, nothing out of the box over here. Okay, so there are some best practice where you can follow. The first thing is YouTube videos. Yeah, so there are lots of data analysts are there who are creating a very fantastic YouTube tutorials for Tableau courses. You can go ahead, search for that. You can subscribe to anyone whenever you are comfortable with anyone, and just prepare your exam. The second best option is the Udemy course. Try to find out the exam preparation or the exam oriented Udemy course, where you can cover entire thing into it, which is required to qualify this Tableau exam, Tableau desktop specialist exam. And you can just simply complete the course, start the practice, and apply for this exam. This is one of the best way what I find. The another one is the online resources. There are lots of other online websites are there where you can find out very good Tableau tutorials and the practice dumps. So this is how you can prepare for your Tableau exam. Last thing is the thing is only the practice. The way you practice, the thing you will get in exam, and you will get qualified. So I would say best of luck for your exam. Keep practicing and keep improving, and I hope you like this video. So hit a thumbs up button and share your thoughts in the comment section. Till then, I will stop this video here. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.